gentlemen, curtains open, lights shine bright, and the stage is set. Welcome to Holy Family English Medium School's Annual Day Function, a spectacular showcase of talent, creativity, and achievement. This evening, we celebrate the sparkle of our students' talents, dedication of our teachers, and the unwavering support of our parents. So once again, I would like to welcome you all for the annual day celebration of 2024 and 25. Dear friends, we are excited to announce that today's program is being live streamed on the YouTube channel. To catch all the actions, click the link that was sent to you in the class group earlier and join us live. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please join us in extending a warm welcome to our special guest. They have already arrived. A group of students are offering a floral welcome to them. Our school band plays a lively and upbeat tune to welcome them with honor and pomp. The moment we have all been waiting for, the annual day celebration of our school. Today's dignitaries are Very Reverend Father Austin Peter Perez, Vicar Foreign, Surathkal Vicariate, Parish Priest of Sacred Heart Church, Surathkal, the correspondent of Holy Family School, and the Honorable President of today's program. The Chief Guest of the day, Mr. Anthony Mariappa, the Deputy Conservator Forest Service, Mangalore Division, Dakshina Kannada. Mr. Russell Roche, the Vice President of Parish Pastoral Council. Mrs. Sandra D'Souza, Vice President of PTA. Put your hands together for our esteemed guests who have gracefully accepted our invitation to join us today. The honorable guests are now being escorted towards the dais by our esteemed principal, Mr. I. Christopher Kotian. Please join us in extending a warm welcome as they escorted towards the decorated Bandhavya stage. I kindly request you all to stand and welcome them with a huge round of applause. To lead the dignitaries to their respective seats. Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude. Gratitude is the completion of thankfulness. Thankfulness may consist merely of words. Gratitude is shown in acts. A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. With these sentiments in mind, let us invoke God's blessings on all of us through a prayer song led by the school choir. Kindly rise. Join hands and hearts in prayer.
Now is the time to work.
Thank you, students, for invoking God's blessings on all of us. Please be seated. Dear all, dance is the hidden language of the soul. Get ready to be mesmerized by the talent, passion, and energy of the students of Holy Family English Medium School as they are ready to blossom on stage by presenting a beautiful welcome dance to refresh the audience. Let's put our hands together and welcome them.
तारितझं तझं तरिता तदिमित किट तक तक तदिगिणदु तारितझं तझं तरिता तदिमित किट तक तक तदिगिणदु तारितझं तझं तरिता तदिमित किट तक तक तदिगिणदु तारितझं तझं तरिता तदिमित गिट 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 तक तक तदिगिणदु तझं तकजं तकिटजं तक तकिटजं तकिट तगदिगु तदिगिणदु तझं तकजं तकिटजं तक तकिटजं तकिट तगदिगु तदिगिणदु तरितदण दण दण तजोणु जोणु जोणु तदिमिरिमि दिमि तकिट तक तरितदण दण दण तजोणु जोणु जोणु तदिमिरिमि दिमि तकिट तक तरितदण दण तजोणु दगुंदरिगिड तक तरितदण दण तजोणु दगुंदरिगिड तक तदरितां तदण्डतां तजोणु तां तगदिगु कडदगदरगदों तगदिगु कडदगदरगदों तगदिगु कडदगदरगदों तारितझं तझं तरिता तदिमित गिट तक तक तदिगिणदु तदिमित गिट तक तक तदिगिणदु तदिमित गिट तक तक तदिगिणदु तारितझं तझं तरिता
Thank you, dear students. Now, may I request our dear principal to escort the dignitaries to the dais. Let's welcome our esteemed dignitaries with a huge round of applause. Our honored guests, please make yourself comfortable. This evening, we honor the past, celebrate the present, and look forward to the future. It is the wholehearted involvement of our teaching and non-teaching faculty which in turn help us to make the occasion, the annual day 2024-25 to become a reality. Once again, I would like to welcome everyone. A word of hearty welcome is the sweetest of all the things in life. A smile that radiates love to all the people around makes everyone happy. May I request Mrs. Jane D'Souza to lay the welcome mat.
Good evening, everyone. It is my great honor and pleasure to welcome all of you to the annual day celebration of Holy Family School, Surathkal. As John C. Maxwell wisely said, a leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. And today, we are truly fortunate to have with us a remarkable leader who embodies these qualities, the president of today's event, the guiding light of our school, and the one who continues to show us the way forward. Very Reverend Father Austin Peter Perez, the Vicar Foreign of Surathkal Vicariate, Parish Priest of Surathkal, and the esteemed correspondent of our school. Father Austin exemplifies qualities that make him an inspiration to all of us. His unwavering patience, attentive listening, and strong sense of mission reflect a deep dedication to serving others. He is known for his disciplined nature and tireless commitment to improving our institution and enhancing the lives of those in our community. He meets people with compassion, helping them through their challenges, and always finds ways to make a positive impact. As a former lecturer in economics, Father Austin has brought his expertise into his leadership. His wisdom and experience allow him to guide others effectively, helping them see not only the destination, but also the path to reach it. Under his leadership, our school has seen numerous improvements and advancements, making it a better place for all. Father Austin has a special place in his heart for young people. His care and affection for children are evident in his action and words, always offering valuable advice and encouragement. He is a visionary, constantly working to uplift those around him and support them in every possible way. Today we are blessed to be in the presence of such an exemplary leader. Please join me in welcoming the president of today's event, Very Reverend Father Austin Peter Perez. I now request our principal to present a bouquet of flowers to our esteemed correspondent as a floral welcome. Welcome you, Father. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. These words by Jane Goodall deeply resonate with the life and career of today's esteemed chief guest, Mr. Anthony S. Mariappa. It is a great honor and privilege to introduce Mr. Mariappa, whose life and work exemplify the very essence of this quote. With an impressive and inspiring record of service and dedication, Mr. Mariappa stands as an exceptional example of commitment and integrity. Born and raised in Mangalore, he is the son of late Mr. S.J. Mariappa, a dedicated circle inspector of police, and Mrs. Pauline Mariappa. From a young age, Mr. Mariappa demonstrated a passion for excellence, which is pursued with a great discipline and perseverance. He was a top student and a proud alumnus of St. Aloysius School and College, where his dedication to his studies earned him district topper status in second PUC, scoring an impressive 99.66% in physics, chemistry, and mathematics. After completing his Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Communication, he chose a path that would allow him to serve the environment and society as a whole, joining the Indian Forest Service as part of the prestigious 2014 batch of Karnataka cadre. His training took him to some of the country's finest institutions, including the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration in Mussoorie, the Indira Gandhi National Forest Academy in Dehradun, and the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy in Hyderabad. Currently serving as the Deputy Conservator of Forests for Mangalore Division, Mr. Mariappa has a distinguished career history. His previous postings took him across various regions, where he served as the Deputy Conservator of Forests in Shimoga, Bangalore Rural, Bangalore Urban, and Belgaum. His work has contributed significantly to the conservation and responsible management of Karnataka's natural resources. Beyond his professional achievements, Mr. Mariappa has been an exemplary figure in other aspects of life. He holds both C and B certificates in the National Cadet Corps, and he is a recipient of the President's Award in Scouts, reflecting his dedication to discipline, teamwork, and community service. It is rare to find someone with such a combination of academic brilliance, dedication to public service, and deep respect for the environment and society. We are truly fortunate to have him here today to inspire us with his journey and insights. Please join me in welcoming our chief guest, Mr. Anthony S. Mariappa. At this moment, I kindly request Very Reverend Father Austin Peter Perez to offer a bouquet of flowers to our distinguished guest, Mr. S. Mariappa, as a gesture of a warm welcome and gratitude. Welcome you, sir. It is truly delighted to welcome and introduce our next distinguished guest, Mr. Russell Roach, a valued member of our school's management committee and the Vice President of Parish Council of Surathkal. He has been constant source of support and guidance for our school. His firm commitment to the betterment of our institution and his genuine care for our growth make him an indispensable part of our community. On behalf of entire school, we are deeply grateful for his continued support. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Mr. Russell Roach. I now invite Mrs. Chandrika to present a bouquet to Russell Roach. Welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome Mrs. Sandra, the Vice President of Parent Teachers Association. Mrs. Sandra plays a pivotal role in fostering the strong partnership between our school and the parents who support us. As the Vice President of PTA, Mrs. Sandra plays an important role in supporting our school community. Her involvement helps maintain the positive and collaborative environment we value, contributing to the nurturing atmosphere that makes our school a place where we are all fortunate to grow and thrive. I welcome Mrs. Sandra, the Vice President of PTA. I now ask Mrs. Mamata R. to present a bouquet to Mrs. Sandra. Welcome you, ma'am. It is my pleasure to welcome the principal of our school, Mr. I. Christophan Kurtian, whose leadership and dedication have made a lasting impact on our institution. As principal, Mr. Kurtian sir is more than just an administrator. He is a mentor, a keen observer, and a steadfast leader who leads by example. His attention to detail, thoughtful guidance, and unwavering commitment continue to inspire both students and faculty alike. Under his leadership, our school has thrived, fostering both academic excellence and personal growth. Mr. Kurtian's beliefs in hard work and perseverance ensures that each student receives the support they need to succeed. Please join me in welcoming our principal, Mr. I. Christopher Kurtian. Now I request Mrs. Ashalata to present a bouquet to Mr. I. Christopher Kurtian. Welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome to our esteemed management committee members, PTA secretary and representatives, as well as all to the parents, our well-wishers and alumni. Your continued support and encouragement are invaluable, and we are deeply grateful for your presence here today. A special welcome to my dear colleagues, teaching and non-teaching staff, whose hard work and dedication shape the daily life of our school. It is because of your passion and commitment that we continue to inspire and guide our students towards success. I welcome all my dear students, especially those participating today and those who are part of the audience, lending their support and encouragement. Your energy, enthusiasm, and spirit are what make this institution come alive. We celebrate each one of you for the unique contributions you make, helping to create a vibrant and inspiring place of learning. Thank you all being here. Together, we form a strong and supportive community, and we look forward to the wonderful moments we will share today. A warm welcome to one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of welcome. A hearty welcome to you too. The future belongs to those who believed in the beauty of their dreams. Holy Family School is one of the best in discovering every approach as flair to bloom into vibrant colors. The year witnessed many milestones of excellent achievement in academics, co-curricular activities, sports and games which aimed at improving the quality of education and all-round development of the students. It gives me immense pleasure to invite our principal, Mr. I. Christopher Kotian, to present the annual report 2024-25. Over to you, sir.
Good morning to each and everyone gathered here. I am very happy, with immense pleasure, I present before you a brief report of Holy Family English Medium School, Surathkal for 2024-25. The voyage of discovery of excellence in the field of education, our endeavor of keeping the value of love, peace, trust, non-violence, and right conduct alive in our thought, word, and action. A sense of gratitude and a deep satisfaction surrounds us as the school has entered into 29th year, I repeat, 29th year in its onward journey of imparting knowledge. Very Reverend Father Austin Peter Paris took over the charge as the parish priest and the correspondent of our esteemed institution in May 2022. Ever since, the school has been improving in number, quality of education, discipline, and all-round development with the help of school management and PTA and their teams. Correspondent is a visionary man and a man not only excellent in ministry in the Lord's vineyard, but also in the education field, who was the economics professor for more than a decade and also an orator. He is being supported by Reverend Father Richard D'Souza, the companion of Reverend Father Austin, also is an educated personality involved in the youth and ecological activities and the lover of greenery. Both of them taking care of the whole school with nearly 1,700 students, 40 staff in a fatherly manner. Along with them, the head of the institution, the staff have kept good relationship with the parent and the community. Recently, our school, with the correspondence initiative, organized a day's training program to the teachers on counseling, psychological issue, and the teaching method. Around 76 teachers from 4 schools have actively participated and benefited. Our school has participated in the inter-school sports and games, cluster level, Pratibha Karanchi, other co-curricular activities. They have won a number of prizes and appreciation. The basketball team has brought laurels to our alma mater by participating in the divisional level. Master Ethan Monis and Miss Prithvi participated at the district level in the athletic meet. Manvi and Aisha Mehik at the district level Pratibha Karanji. We congratulate all of them. Father Correspondent encourages the students in curricular and co-curricular activities. Our students participated in the inter-school competitions conducted by Govindadasa College and Bharati English Medium School, Kulai. We have received many prizes, and both the places we were the overall championship runners. I remember the teachers who encouraged our students. Our school has been considered as one of the best institutions with the A+ grade in our taluk, considering the quality of education, discipline, infrastructure, and SLC board examination results. As we have the tempo of receiving 100% result in SLC board exam, last year we received 100%, out of which 77 distinctions, 12 students got more than 600 marks and others first class. This year, there are 128 students who will appear for the SLC board examination, and our teachers are working hard to achieve the highest goal. The fame is being continued due to the correspondence guidance, prayers, and blessings. I will fail in my duty if I do not remember Mrs. Celine D'Souza, the former principal who served here more than a decade. Our school believes in a motto, healthy mind in a healthy body. We encourage and conduct mass PT, Bharatanatyam, fusion dance, karate, scouts and guides, yoga, chess coaching with the school band. We have taken up abacus classes for first standard to fifth standard grade students. During this academic year, many students are taking active role in all these activities. I take this opportunity to thank today's chief guest, Anthony Mariappa Sir, Deputy Conservator of Forests, Mangalore Division, Dakshina Kannada District, for accepting our invitation and gracing the occasion. Sir, we need your motivation and inspiring words to our students and the parents. With these, I conclude my brief report. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Winning doesn't always mean being first. It means you are doing better than you have ever done before. It is the right time to reward the winners for their outstanding performance in the field of education and athletics. It's our proud privilege to place before you the general proficiency winners and the overall champions. I call upon Mrs. Reena to place before you the list of winners.
Good evening, everyone. Success is not about being better than someone else. It's about being better than you were yesterday. The key to success is action, and the essential in action is perseverance. Yes, if we do anything with sound mind, we could achieve it. Dear friends, here is a list of achievers who excelled in curricular and co-curricular activities in the academic year 2023-24. Now I request today's chief guest, Mr. Anthony S. Mariappa, to give away the prizes. LKGA, first place, Pradya J. Amin. Second place, Aryan Yech. LKGB, first place, Mohammad Shafin. Second place, Maliha Khatija. UKGA, first place, Fatima Haiza. Second place, Ritvik V. UKGB, first place, Aish L. Menden. Second place, Keith Lobo. First A, first place, Darshil Hosabettu. Second place, Arush. First B, first place is shared by two students, Blessina Krasta and Sana Fatima. Second place, Chirasvi Umesh Kulal. Second A, first place, Ananya D. Second place, Yashasvi Anchan. Second standard B, first place, Charvi. Second place, Riddhi. Third A, first place, Juzla Fatima. Second place, Laksha Vasudev. Third B, first place, Manasvita S. Devadiga. Second place, Advit Shrivas Amin. Fourth A, first place, Gautami Arun Bhatt. Second place, Rafa Mariam. Fourth B, first place, Akarsh K. Second place, Kavya Shri Kulal. Fifth A, first place, Anna Shanil Amanna. Second place, Swedel Gianna Serrao. Fifth B, first place, Raghavi P. Padakannaya. Second place, Nirvi Bangera. Sixth A, first place, Prasha J. Amin. Second place, Skanda Chadaga. Sixth B, first place, Manvi. Second place, Jauna Noorjahan. Seventh A, first place, Shamyaka A.K. Second place, Tejas Vishnu M. Seventh B, first place, Ishanvi. Second place, Manasvi P. Padakannaya. Thank you, sir, for giving away the prizes. May I kindly request the president of today's program, Very Reverend Father Austin Peter Paris, to give away the prizes. 8th A, first place, Guru Kiran Shettigar. Second place, Suraksha. 8th B, first place Sia G. Second place Yash N Salian. Ninth A, first place Manya. Second place Shaman. Ninth B, first place Bhumika MS. Second place Vaibhavi. Tenth standard is a crucial stage in a student's academic journey, laying the foundation for future success, personal growth, and career opportunities. I am proud to announce the top scorers of SSLC Board Exam 2023-24. First place is backed by Kushi R. Amin, scored 615 out of 625 with 98.4%. Second place is achieved by Arush Bhatt, scored 614 out of 625 with 98.24%. In moral science, first place is backed by Kavin C. Shetty. In catechism, first place is secured by Annie D'Souza. Sports do not build character, they reveal it. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. Now, the time has come to announce the sports champions of Holy Family School for the academic year 2024-25. Under 5th and 6th standard category among the boys, the individual championship is won by Mohammad Kans of 6th B Kirti Squad. Among the girls, individual championship is won by Shanum Khatija of 6th B Neeti Squad. Under 7th standard and 8th standard category among the boys, individual championship goes to Adish S of 8th A Spurti Squad. Among the girls, it goes to Misha R of 7th A Kirti Squad. Under 9th and 10th category among the boys, individual championship goes to Kaushal R of 9th A Spurti Squad. Among the girls, it goes to Fiona Jenisha D'Souza of 9th A Shanti Squad. As you all know, we have 4 squads in our institution. They are Spurti in blue, Shanti in red, Neeti in yellow, Kirti in green. The most awaiting moment has arrived, that is to declare the overall championship. Any guesses? In sports, the overall championship goes to Spurti squad. I request the squad leaders Kaushal R and Raksha along with the squad members to come over here and receive the shield. In co-curricular activities, the overall championship goes to Kirti Squad. I request the squad leaders, Gautam, Zainaba, along with the squad members to come over here and receive the shield. Thank you, Father, for giving away the prizes. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Reena. We are fortunate to have in our midst an eminent personality who has enhanced the grandeur of this occasion. He is none other than our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Anthony Mariappa, the Deputy Conservator Forest Service, Mangalore Division, Dakshina Kannada. It is rightly said that wisdom is not a product of schooling, but of the lifelong attempt to acquire it. Dear Sir, we would be delighted to hear your thoughts.
Dignitaries on the dais, Father Austin Paris, Principal of the school, Christopher Kodian, Russell, and other dignitaries, my dear students, fellow parents, and the teaching and the non-teaching faculty of this school. It's really indeed a great honor and a privilege to be addressing a crowd. And it becomes a little awkward also at times because a decade or two I was at the other end of the pendulum. Listening someone coming and addressing our school days function. So nevertheless, life is a full circle that we keep revolving around. So here is the thing that today it's really a privilege for me to be addressing. Not only because it's an annual day function where you are high on spirits on your entire course of the year, the events that take place, but also for me, this is a crowd that tomorrow will end up in different fields of life, whereas it's not a unidimensional field that you ultimately end in. Some of you may end up as becoming a good successful entrepreneurs, some of you may become bureaucrats, some of you may become self-styled businessmen, some of you may become lecturers, and some of you may enter into politics making policy for our own betterment. So all this, where the school places, it's a building block for all these professions which later on splits up. So if you are having a good building block in your schooling days, like I enjoyed when I was in my schooling in Aloysius, where you are exposed to the different facets of life and different value systems, which is very important because as you grow, you don't know which part of career you take up. Like I never dreamt when I was in the school that I would be ultimately becoming a bureaucrat. I didn't even dream when I cleared my engineering also. It's only after I started working in Infosys that I felt that my area of interest was something else, and somehow later on had to go through the struggle and come out. So why I'm saying this is because students and dear parents also, the real interest of your students starts once they start out of school. So where they are heading to, where their interests are heading to. Today we have a very diverse way of professions, unlike what it was a decade or two back, where the nature of professions were very much limited to 2-3. So these days there are talents exposed in every fields. So I would just suggest to nurture and follow whatever talent they are exceeding presently. So because there is nothing that this is the best profession for your child in future. And also more importantly for your child as well as you, let us inculcate one thing in them through schooling itself, which is called a sustainable development. because we all have to pass on the same earth what we inherited. And you yourself can say that what you enjoyed in your childhood, you're not enjoying now as a parent. So hopefully it should not further deplenish once your child becomes a parent tomorrow. So we should inculcate this concept of sustainable development very much in them, because these days we are heading too much into consumerism mindset. Let us get reoriented and let us take forward in the guise of sustainable development. There's some finer nuances if they try advancing themselves into as a part of the personality, they finally end up being one. So I am also told that the culturals and everything are lined up from 6 to 9, and I am also sure that the students also would be super excited to perform what they have been practicing so far. So just my three words of advice, what I was being advised, be it whatever area of your interest or whatever area what you want to focus, just follow these three words. It is from 3D: discipline, determination, and dedication. All these three beats your IQ. It's only these three that makes a normal individual to succeed finally. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We feel empowered and encouraged by your inspiring words. I request our correspondent, Very Reverend Father Austin Peter Perez, to offer a memento to honor our chief guest as a token of love and gratitude. Like the wave is part of an ocean, without that, it has no meaning. Similarly, a person is a part of the collective whole, and that makes him strong. We take immense pleasure to recognize the valued presence of our honorable correspondent and the president of today's program, who is known to bring innovative changes in the institution. The very learned, not only a true educationist, but also economist and environmentalist, Very Reverend Father Austin Peter Perez. Father, may I humbly request you to address the gathering.
The chief guest of today's annual day, Mr. Anthony Mariappa, Deputy Conservator of Forests of Mangalore Division, and an example himself, and what he briefly said today has a lot of experience behind that, because he himself has gone through what he said and he has persevered. So we are very happy to have Mr. Anthony among us today. The principal of this institution, Mr. I. Christopher Kotian, the management committee member, as well as the parish pastoral council vice president, and my close collaborator, Mr. Russell Roch, the PTA vice president, Mrs. Sandra, all the dear teachers and students, and my dear parents. With great anticipation, you are waiting to see the performance of your children, and the chief guest has already given a lead by making brief comments. I too have very brief comments. As the chief guest said, today's world is a multipolar as well as diverse world. So I thought I would share with you only one thought given by a musician and a songwriter as well as a singer known as B.B. King. His name is Riley B. King. He said, the beautiful thing about learning is no one can take it away. Means what John Dewey said in other contexts, education is not a preparation for life, it is life itself. What our students learn actually Not only the theories and theorems, the formulae and other things, but more than that, what they learn to achieve and the discipline they imbibe, that alone remains. And the songwriter, he said, whatever you learn, it may be in the field of music, it may be in the field of other um, performing arts, it can be in the field of education. No one can take away. Anything else can be taken away, but the education or the learning one has will remain with him till he dies. That's why you should tell the children, learn to go through the process to the best possible way and in the excellent manner possible. Because the very fact, these wise people say, you don't have to actually go and read, go to the library and read. Very fact, you go to the library, you become little wise, they say. Meaning to say, the very process makes you wiser. The very process of this schooling will make the children disciplined. And we are very happy that we have excellent students, teachers, and all of you, all parents who are always cooperating in the aspect of discipline, in the aspect of this school regimentation, and in whatever way the school system runs, because managing every day 1,700 odd students is not a joke. But because of your active cooperation and because of your kind of partnership in this process of schooling, everything goes on smoothly. That's why I want to remind you only about three things. One is perseverance. In the morning also I spoke about your role in educating the child in persevering. Today, if anything is a little lacking in the growing children, it is ability to persevere. They want fast results. The world itself is moving very fast, and it is a world of instant successes. Instant success is not possible in every field. There are no shortcuts. That's why perseverance is very important. Second word you should remember is excellence. In whatever field they move, let them excel. And Mr. Mariappa has already given you the various fields. And third one, he has repeated, the first and the very important D is discipline. Learning to do whatever has to be done at that exact moment. I remember, we are all Kannada medium students. There was a lesson, I think, ಆಟದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ, ಊಟದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ, ಪಾಠದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಠ. If you educate your children, your wards in this basic discipline, not mixing up. When there is pata, it is only pata. When there is ata, only ata. If there is uta, only uta. Now it's all confusion of one over the other. During meals also they see mobile. No, that is the way forward. And if you remember this, DEP, make your person deaf person, not DEAF, but DEP person, deaf person. And as you are waiting for an excellence 3-hour cultural extravaganza, I wish all the students who participate, I wish all the success to them, and I thank all those who have worked behind the stage and on stage for the success of this program and for this annual day celebration. I invoke God's blessing on all of you. May God bless all of us. May God bless all our students and parents. May God bless Holy Family English Medium School, the great institute. May it go forward with sincerity, honesty and simplicity, and may excel in everything. God bless one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Father. The imprints made by you will be cherished in our minds forever. Cultivate the habit of being grateful for every good thing that comes to you and to give thanks continuously. Because all things have contributed to your advancement, you should include all things in your gratitude. Let me invite Mrs. Dinah to express our heartfelt gratitude that is happiness doubled by content. Over to you, Mrs. Dinah.
Good evening to all. Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude, says Henry Frederick Amil. So, first and foremost, we thank Almighty God for His divine guidance, protection, and blessings upon our institution. It's my privilege to thank our beloved correspondent, the president of today's program, Very Reverend Father Austin Peter Perez, Parish Priest, Surathkal. Thank you, Father, for your commitment to excellence and for being an inspiring role model. On this momentous occasion, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude for today's chief guest, Mr. Anthony Mariappa, Deputy Conservator of Forest, Mangalore Division, Dakshina Kannada. Sir, for your inspiring address and thoughtful remarks have motivated the parents and students to strive for excellence. We appreciate the time you took to be with us and share your valuable insights. Thank you, sir. Our sincere thanks goes to Mr. Russell Raj, Vice President of Parish Council, for your commitment to our school's growth and well-being. Thank you, sir. I extend my deepest appreciation to Mrs. Sandra de Souza, PTA Vice President, and all the members of PTA for your unwavering support and collaboration. Thank you all. We are deeply thankful for the inspiring leadership and mentorship of Mr. I. Christopher Kotia, our beloved principal. Thank you, sir, for your guidance and support. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to all parents, guardians, well-wishers, and audience for the unwavering support and generosity towards our school. Thank you all. A special thanks to all the staff members, volunteers, and students who worked energetically behind the scenes to make our day possible. We also thank the instructor of extracurricular activities like Bharatanatyam, fusion dance, karate, yoga, and chess. Thanks for your presence. A heartfelt thanks to Mr. Navin D'Souza and his team for capturing the event through the photography and videography, Mr. Peter D'Souza for the arrangements, Mr. Derek and his team for sound system, and Mr. Everest Lobo, proprietor of Dream Decor, for the beautiful backdrop, and also DELSON Media for live streaming this program. Thank you all. We extend our deepest gratitude to the Surathkal Police Station personnel for their exceptional service and dedication. We extend our sincere thanks to all the choreographers for your outstanding creativity. Finally, I would like to extend my sincere appreciation to everyone who has contributed directly or indirectly to the success of today's program, which will start in a short while. Thank you, one and all. May your evening be filled with joy. Have a good time.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of gratitude. Honorable dignitaries on the days, parents and well-wishers, here we conclude the formal stage program. With due respect, I request all the dignitaries to repose the reserved seats of the days as the cultural events begin. I request our principal to lead them to their respective seats among the audience. Dear audience, would you please put your hands together and join me in thanking our esteemed dignitaries. May God continue to shower His abundant blessings on all of us. Let the vision of our school the dreams of our parents, the guidance of our teachers, and our deep faith in the divine will lead to the pinnacle of success. With this note, I, Reshma Vegas, signing off. Have a great time ahead. Over to the students for the cultural carnival. Thank you. May God bless us all.
Check. Check.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, respected teachers, proud parents, and my dear enthusiastic students. This is Shaman welcoming you all to the highly awaited Holy Family School Annual Day 2024-25.
I'm Afrin, honored to be a host for today's spectacular event. I'm Aksa. I'm Arnaud. I am Vita. We are thrilled to share the stage with our fellow anchors.
I am Vamshit.
I'm Jocelyn. I'm Vishika.
And we are excited to bring you an unforgettable evening.
Together, we'll make this occasion a truly memorable one.
Today's celebration is a testament to the dedication and hard work of our teachers, students, and parents.
Our students have prepared an array of captivating performances showcasing their talents in music, dance, drama, and more.
We are grateful for the unwavering support of our parents who have encouraged and motivated our students throughout the year.
So sit back, relax, and get ready to be mesmerized by the incredible talent on display.
Let's begin this fantastic journey and make some unforgettable memories together. Holy Family School Annual Day
2024-25. Let the celebrations begin.
Over to Mishika and Ethan for the upcoming performances by little kids.
Hey, why are you smiling? You look very happy. You know our nursery A dolls are ready to dance for this song. Ektasy Hassi. That's amazing. I love this song. It's so full of happiness and laughter. Then
ಪೋಷಕರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ, ನರ್ಸರಿಯಿಂದ 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪೋಷಕರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ನಂತರ ಚರ್ಚಿನ ಎದುರುಗಡೆಯ ಗ್ರೊಟ್ಟೋದ ಬಳಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಅನುಮತಿ ಪಡೆದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾರು ದಾರಿಯ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬಾರದಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ನಂತರ ಚರ್ಚಿನ ಎದುರುಗಡೆಯ ಗ್ರೊಟ್ಟೋದ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಹೋಗಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಅನುಮತಿ ಪಡೆದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Yo, honey singer.
Suno everybody, mere paas aao. I'm so lazy, mujhe na chao. Beat bajao, shor machao. Twinkle twinkle, mere saath gao.
Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Kotara dabbu kotu, let's dance, chotu motu. Hey, kotara dabbu kotu, let's dance, chotu motu.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that the Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
with the silk nursery, we babies on the stage.
You know you love me, I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. You want my love, you want my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. Are we an item? Girl, quit playing. We're just friends, what are you saying? Said there's another, and look right in my eyes. My first love broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 no, like, baby, 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 oh, thought you'd always be mine, mine.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा
If you're alone and you need a friend, someone to make you forget your problems, just come along, baby, take my hand. I'll be your lover tonight. This is what I wanna do. Let's have some fun. One on one, just me and you. Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Let's spend the night together from now until forever. Boom, 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 boom. I wanna go boom, boom. Let's spend the night together, together in my room.
जश्नबाजी की शाम है जश्नबाजी की शाम है क्रिकेट ताल पे ठुमके लगाए ताल मारा
तेरी शैतानियों से महफिल रंगीन हुई तू दीवाना हुआ मैं भी शौकीन हुई दुनिया जलती है तो चले दुनिया जलती है तो चले
magic.
ನರ್ಸರಿಯ ಪೋಷಕರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ, ನರ್ಸರಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪೋಷಕರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚರ್ಚಿನ ಎದುರುಗಡೆಯ ಗ್ರೊಟ್ಟೋದ ಬಳಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೊಂದಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಅನುಮತಿ ಪಡೆದು ಅವರನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ.
Five, four, three, two, one.
E for apple, B for biscuit, C for chocolate, D for drink. आज है संडे, मौज मनाओ. It's a holly holiday, it's a holly holiday. Hey hey, आज है संडे, मौज मनाओ. It's a holly holiday, it's a holly holiday. आज है संडे, मौज मनाओ. It's a holly holiday, it's a holly holiday. जो भी हमको पढ़ना है, हम वो पढ़ेंगे मंडे से. आज हमारी छुट्टी है, काम करेंगे मंडे से. जो भी हमको पढ़ना है, हम वो पढ़ेंगे मंडे से. आज हमारी छुट्टी है, काम करेंगे मंडे से. E for evening, F for fun, G for good luck, H for hip hip hooray. आज है संडे, मौज मनाओ. It's a holly holiday, it's a holly holiday. आज है संडे, मौज मनाओ. It's a holly holiday, it's a holly holiday. आज है संडे.
Don't you know that it feels real good when you let your anger out like you should? Just sing and shout and dance it out. Don't let all of that frustration get in the way of good vibrations. Just sing and shout and dance it out. Everyone knows what it feels like to be down. Everybody's frustrated or freaked out. So next time you're feeling like you have no chance, put your hair in the air, shake it like you don't care.
जुबी नाचेंगे, जुबी जुबी गाएंगे. Hey, why are you singing that song? Because our tiny dancers of LKGB are going to take it to the next level. Let's welcome them.
गुनगुनाती है ये हवाएं, गुनगुनाता है गगन, गा रहा है ये सारा आलम.
Zubi zubi dubi pam para, zubi dubi param pam. Zubi dubi nache, क्यों पागल stupid man.
Zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampa. Zubi dubi nache, you pagal stupid man.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे.
दीवानी किरणें गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे.
वो बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू.
Ay ay ay, zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampa.
Zubi dubi nache, क्यों पागल stupid man.
Zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampa.
Zubi dubi nache, क्यों पागल stupid man.
झिम सन 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 हवा, टिप 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 बूंदे गुर्राते बिजलियां.
भीगी भीगी साड़ी में यूं ठुमके लगाती तू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू.
Ay ay ay, zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampa.
Zubi dubi nache, क्यों पागल stupid man. Zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampa. Zubi dubi nache, क्यों पागल stupid man. चांद जमीन पर इतरा के गा रहा, एक टिम टिम टूटा तारा उठला के गा रहा.
हैरान अकेले तन्हा मुझे छू ले आके तू,
जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू जुबी डूबी पंपा जुबी डूबी परंपा जुबी डूबी नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man जुबी डूबी पंपा जुबी डूबी परंपा जुबी डूबी नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man जुबी डूबी
Thank you guys for that electrifying show. Over to Jaslyn and Arnan for the upcoming act.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear parents and esteemed guests, we are thrilled to announce that Holy Family School's annual day program is being telecast live on YouTube channel. The link is already sent to your class groups. Please tune in to join us in celebrating this special occasion. I repeat, we are thrilled to announce that Holy Family School's annual day program is being telecast live on YouTube channel. The link is already sent to the class groups. Please tune in to join us in celebrating this special occasion. We are excited to share this momentous event with you all.
Jaslyn, do you know what UKG students have in store for us today? I think it's a surprise, but I'm excited to find out. It's true, they will dazzle us with an energetic dance that will get everyone on their feet. Wow, let's get this dance party started. No more delays.
Oh, oh.
Yes, we believe it.
What a spectacular show. Listen. Thank you, Tiny Thoughts. It was so cute. What a spectacular show. Our UKGB students are passionate about learning and today they are showcasing their energies. The boys will ignite the stage with a cowboy dance. While the girls will delight us with fun-filled school chale hum dance. Sounds thrilling. Over to you, talented performers.
Dear parents and well-wishers, we are excited to share the special day with you. To ensure everyone's enjoyment and safety, we kindly request that you refrain from taking photograph during the program. Our professional photographer will capture the moments and we will provide the photos to you after the event. We appreciate your cooperation and understanding. Thank you.
If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Hey, so come on,
सवेरे यारों से मिलने बन ठन के निकले सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम ओ, दरवाजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं कोई आगे चलता है हम पीछे चलते हैं दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम ओ,
That was incredible. Thank you, friends. There is something magical about kids dancing, don't you think? Absolutely. Their energy and expression are infectious. Get ready, everyone. Our young talents will have you tapping your feet to the vibrant Indo-Western rhythms. Please welcome our fantastic first standard performers.
ಪ್ರಿಯ ಪೋಷಕರೇ, ನಾವು ಈ ವಿಶೇಷ ದಿನವನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಆನಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ಖಚಿತಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವೃತ್ತಿಪರ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ಗಳು ಈ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳನ್ನು ಸೆರೆ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈವೆಂಟ್ನ ನಂತರ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೋಟೋಗಳನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕೃತಜ್ಞರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Wait.
ನಗು 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 ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ತಾರೆ ನಾಚುವಂತ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನೀ ನಗು ಕೆನ್ನೆ ತುಂಬ ಚಂದ್ರಬಿಂಬ ಚುಂಬಿಸೋ ನಗು ಮುತ್ತು ಕಂದನಿಂದ ಕದ್ದ ಮುತ್ತಿನ ನಗು ಕೆನ್ನೆ ತುಂಬ ಚಂದ್ರಬಿಂಬ ಚುಂಬಿಸೋ ನಗು ಮುದ್ದು ಕಂದನಿಂದ ಕದ್ದ ಮುತ್ತಿನ ನಗು ಚಿಂತೆಯನ್ನು ಚಿಂದಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನೀ ನಗು
தம்பி இது எந்த ஊரு?
ಒಂದು ಕುಡ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ.
അംചി കൊടിയാല.
ಇದು ಮೈಕಾಲಲ್ಲ ಬಾವ. ಮಂಜರನ್.
ഞങ്ങളുടെ മംഗലാപുരം അല്ലേ? என்ன மச்சா, ஒரு ஊருக்கு எவ்வளோ பேரு?
ಮೈಕಾಲ ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ ಕುಡ್ಲ
bodies for the rectifying performance. Unknown, is that you? You look unrecognizable. Just trying something new, Jocelyn. Your outfit is quite different. What's the inspiration? Our upcoming performance. We are celebrating the unique rhythms of rural, urban and primitive lifestyles. That sounds fascinating. Exactly. And that's what our show is about. Our second standard friends will take you on a journey through the diverse ways of life. Over to you, friends.
Oh, you said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. You say take me home. I said no, Perignon. You said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. No, 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 no. It's Willy in your room. No es un rompecabezas. Activa la cintura. Boom, 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 boom. I wanna double boom. Hoy estamos de fiesta. No se apaga la luz. Hey, llegamos aquí se menea. Todo el mundo está bien loco. No hay cura tanta loquera. Mano arriba se me pegó. Si tú quieres, dura toda la noche. Mucho calor en el party. Se formó este pelote. Mano arriba y mano abajo. Vamos. Boom, 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 boom. It's Willy in your room. No es un rompecabezas. Activa la cintura. Boom, 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 boom. I wanna double boom. Hoy estamos de fiesta. No se apaga la luz. Sigue, 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 sigue. Es el tiempo de bailar.
Feel the magic in the air. I love it in my all. Ale, ale, ale. Feel the magic in the air. I love it in my all. Ale, ale, ale.
Feel the magic in the air. Magic System. Red One. Shawty. Feel the magic in the
Thank you so much. Wow, that was a roaring success. I didn't catch that. Did you say roaring? Yes, I did. And it's fitting because our next performance is stepping into the wild world of the animals. Well said. And speaking of roaring, get ready for Wildest Act 8, the animal dance by our friends from 3rd grade.
ಪೋಷಕರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ನಂತರದ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಬಳಿಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರುವ ಕಾರಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಲಾಗುವುದು. ತದನಂತರವೇ ನೀವು ಶಾಲೆಯ ಧ್ವಜಸ್ತಂಭದ ಬಳಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಅನುಮತಿ ಪಡೆದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಕರೆತರುವುದು. ಅದರ ಮೊದಲು ಹೋಗಬಾರದಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಕಳಿಯ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರುವ ಕಾರಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳಿಸಲಾಗುವುದು. ತದನಂತರವೇ ನೀವು ಶಾಲೆಯ ಧ್ವಜಸ್ತಂಭದ ಬಳಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಅನುಮತಿ ಪಡೆದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಕರೆತರುವುದು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
घने घने घोर कार छाए बदरा धमक धमक गूंजे बदरा के डंके चमक चमक देखो बिजुलियां चमके मन धड़काए बदरवा मन धड़काए बदरवा मन धड़काए बदरवा
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसा
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ बिजली की तलवार नहीं बूंदों के बाण चलाओ मेघा छाए बरखा लाए
गिर गिर आए गिर के आए कहे ये मन मचल मचल नहीं चल संभल संभल
गए दिन बदल तू घर से निकल बरसने वाला है अब हमने रेत जल दुविधा के दिन बीत गए भैया मलहार सुनाओ धमक धमक तुझे बदरा के डंके
चमक चमक देखो बिजुलियां चमके
मन धड़काए बदरवा मन धड़काए बदरवा मन मन धड़काए बदरवा रस अगर बरसेगा कौन फिर तरसेगा कोयलियां गाएगी बैठी मुंडेरों पर जो पंछी गाएंगे नए दिन आएंगे उजाले मुस्कुरा देंगे अंधेरों पर प्रेम की बरखा में भीग भीग तन मन धरती पे देखेंगे पानी का दर्पण देखियो वहाँ वहाँ की धरती यहाँ पहने 7 रंगों की चुनरिया घनन घनन गिर गिर आए बदरा धमक धमक गूंजे बदरा के डंके चमक चमक देखो बिजुलियां चमके मन धड़काए बदरवा मन धड़काए बदरवा मन मन धड़काए बदरवा
गली घर में है लोहे का बंदा जिस पे उम्र मिटे लहरा वो झंडा हर गली घर में है लोहे का बंदा आजा आजा हमदम एक हम बने दिल में खुशी गूंजी है धड़कने
नहीं कभी भी ये पलटने अरे सुबह हुई तोड़ी सभी बंदिशें
अपने तो मन में अब भर के है शोला दम है किसी का कर मुकाबला लोहा ज्वाला गोला भाला जगा बेटा बोलो शोले कर्मठ शोले कलकत्ता शोले उज्जवल शोले गुजराती शोले
क्रांति है शोले
लंके चमक चमक देखो
Thank you so much. Wow, that was a roaring success. I didn't catch that. Did you say roaring? Yes, I did. And it's fitting because our next performance is stepping into the wild world of the animals. Well said. And speaking of roaring, get ready for Wildest Act 8, the Animal Dance, by our friends from 3rd grade.
Dear parents, please note that dear parents of 3rd standard, please note that you will be able to collect your children near the school flagpole only after the official announcement, as the students have to change their costumes. Thank you for your cooperation and understanding.
ಗಾಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಏನು ತುಸು ಮೆಲ್ಲಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಈಗ ಈ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಸೀದಾ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಾರಿದೆ ಜಿಗಿದು ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಗೆ ಇರು 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 ಹೀಗೆ ನೀ ಎಲ್ಲೂನು ಹೋಗದ ಹಾಗೆ ಸುತ್ತ ನಗಿಸುತ್ತ ನಲಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಹೀಗೆನೆ ಬದುಕಿನ ಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರುವೊಂದು ನಾ ಕಂಡಿರುವಾಗ ಎದ್ದು ಎದುರಿದ್ದು ಹಗ್ ಮಾಡು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಗಿರುವೆ ಮುಖಾಮುಖಿ ಇದರರ್ಥ ಋಣವಿನ್ನು ಬಾಕಿ ಇನ್ಮುಂದೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ದಿನಚರಿ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಖಂಡಿತ ಹೇಳುವೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀನೇ ನನಗಿನ್ನು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲಿ ಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಬಿಡುವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ರೈಯಂದಿದೆ ನೀ ಮರೆತರೂ ನಾನು ಮರೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೆಟ್ಟು ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಪುಟ್ಟ ನೆನಪುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದೇನೆ ಕಿಸೆಯೊಳಗಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಸಂದೇಶ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದೆ ಭಾವನೆಗಳು ಭಾಷೆಯ ಮೀರಿ ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತಿದೆ ಓ ಚಾರ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳು ನಿಸಾವೆ ನಿಮಿಷವೋ ದಿನ ಖುಷಿಯ ಮಿತಿ ಮೀರಿದೆ ಚಾಲಿ ಬರಿ ನೀನೆ ನನ್ನ ಗಮನ ಚಾಲಿ ಚಾಲಿ
Judges, close watcher moto, measurement pattern, true finder tumban, എന്തും പറയും ദമയന്തി. Our participants, പാലാഴി വാലുള്ള മിങ്ങാച്ചി, അന്നനടക്കാരി ക്വാക്ക് മോൾ പുന്നമട, കിം കിം കിങ്ങിണി, സ്നേഹദീപം ലയണസ് ലോളി, ലാവണ്ടർ പീപ്പേ വെള്ളച്ചി. And finally, the heartbeat of Kudiyanmala, cutie pie. മോളിക്കുട്ടി.
ನಾವು ಮಾನವರು ಈ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಾಲಿಗಳೆಂದೇ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಬಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿರುವ ಕ್ರೂರ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಹಿಂಸಾತನವನ್ನು ಮೂಕ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ತೋರುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಗತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸಲು ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸುತ್ತೇವೆ, ಹಿಂಸಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಅವುಗಳು ನಮ್ಮಂತೆ ಶಾಂತಿಯುತ ವಾತಾವರಣವನ್ನು ಬಯಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ನಮಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಸರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗೂ ಅಗತ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿ, ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿ.
Thank you, friends. That was a stunning performance. We now invite Pamchit and Aksa for our next performances.
Hey, how it's going? You look a bit shaken.
Those ferocious animals on the stage were really terrifying. I'm still trembling.
Don't worry, Aksa. Our talented 4th grade performers are here to brighten your day with their enchanted peacock-inspired dance.
Really? That sounds amazing.
Let the magic begin.
Change the position.
ಏನಮ್ಮ, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಿಂಗೆ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯಾ?
ಅಮ್ಮ ನನ್ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಹೊಡಿತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ.
ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಏನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡೋದ್ ತಪ್ಪಾ?
ನೀನ್ ನವಿಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ನವಿಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
ನವಿಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಿಕಾಕ್.
ಹಾ, ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ. ನನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ P4 ಪಿಕಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರ್ಸಿದ್ರು.
ಈಗಿನ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ನವಿಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಕ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲೋ ಟಿವಿಯಲ್ಲೋ ನೋಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಜ ನವಿಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ನವಿಲು ಬರೀ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪಕ್ಷಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಇದೆ, ಅಣ್ಣ ತಂಗಿ ಎಂಬ ಭಾವನೆ ಇದೆ.
ആലായാൽ തറ വേണം, അടുത്തോരമ്പലം വേണം, ആലിന്നു ചേർന്നൊരു കുളവും വേണം. ആലായാൽ തറ വേണം, അടുത്തോരമ്പലം വേണം, ആലിന്നു ചേർന്നൊരു കുളവും വേണം. കുളിപ്പാനായി കുളം വേണം, കുളത്തിൽ ചെതാമര വേണം, കുളിച്ചു ചെന്നകം പൂകാൻ ചന്ദനം വേണം. ആലായാൽ റാണി മകളായാൽ അടക്കം വേണം, നാടായാൽ നൃപ്പൻ വേണം, അരികെ മന്ത്രിമാർ വേണം, നാടായാൽ മൃഗം വേണം, അരികെ മന്ത്രിമാർ വേണം, നാടിന് ഗുണമുള്ള പ്രജകൾ വേണം.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು.
ಭುವನ ಗಾತ್ರ ಜ್ವಲನ ನೇತ್ರ ಗಹನ ಪಾತ್ರ ಘನವನ ತೀರ ದಹನ ಕೋಲ ಧಮನ ಕಾಲ ಧರಣಿ ಲೀಲ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಶೂರ.
ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೆದರದ ಸಲಗವನೆ ಪಳಗಿಸಿದ ಇಳಂಬನ್ ಯೋಧನ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗ ನೀವೀರ, ಮಹಾಕ್ಷಾಮ ಗೆದ್ದಂತ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಚಂಡಿಯ ಮಗ. ಮಂಡೆಯಾರು ಮಲೆ ಏರಿ ಮೋಡವನೆ ಹಿಡಿಯುವನು, ಬೆಂಗಾಡು ಮರವೇರಿ ಹುಲಿಬೇಟೆಯಾಡುವನು, ಆ ರತ್ತಿ ದ್ವೀಪಕ್ಕೆ ಭಯವನ್ನು ತೋರುವನು, ಮುಕ್ಕಾಡ ಮೃಗಗಳಿಗೆ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟವನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಒಬ್ಬ ವೀರನಿವ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಗ. ಒಂದು 100 ಹುಲಿ ಸಕ್ಕು ಇವನೆದೆಯೋ, ಸರಿದಾಡು ಸರ್ಪಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆದರಿಕೆಯೋ, ಕಡಲಿಂದ ಕೆತ್ತಿರುವ ಮುಖವಿದೆಯೋ, ಬೆರುಮಾಚಿ ಖರ್ಚಿಸುವ ಹೆಸರಿದೆಯೋ, ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಒಬ್ಬ ವೀರನಿವ, ಸುಡುವಾಗ್ತಿ ಹೆತ್ತ ಶೂರನಿವ, ಧೀರರ ಗೆದ್ದ ಧೀರನಿವ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆರುಮಾಚು ಪ್ರಾಣ ಇವ. ಗಂಗಾ ಗಂಗಾ ಗಂಗುವ Ganga, Ganga, Gangua. Ganga, Ganga, Gangua. Ganga, Ganga, Gangua.
ನವಿಲು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೇವಲ ಹಕ್ಕಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಪಕ್ಷಿಯೂ ಸಹ. ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಗಿಡ ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಂದರೆ ಸಾಯುವುದು ಅವುಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಸಹ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವ ರಕ್ಷಿಸು, ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಳನ್ನು ನೀ ಬೆಳಗಿಸು.
Thank you, dear friends, for that breathtaking performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to show our appreciation.
Let's hear it for all our performers. Now, get ready to unleash the timeless beauty, grace, and tradition of classical dance.
Each performance tells a story, each step an expression of deep emotion and artistry.
It is a blend of devotion, rhythm, and culture, carrying with them the essence of our heritage.
Let us immerse ourselves in the rhythm and the beauty of this art form presented by the students of Bharatanatyam class.
ಸರಿಗಪ ದಸ ನಿದ ಪ ಗ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಸನಿ ದಸ ಸರಿಗಪ ದಸ ನಿದ ಪ ಗ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಸನಿ ದಸ ಸರಿಗಪ ದಸ ನಿದ ಪ ಗ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಸನಿ ದಸ
Thank you friends for the enchanted performance.
ಆಹಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ನೃತ್ಯ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡಿದರು ನಮ್ಮ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲವೇ ವಂಶಿತ್?
ಹೌದು ಅಕ್ಸ, ಬಹಳ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಿಜ ಹೇಳಬೇಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ ನಿಸರ್ಗವೇ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಎಂದರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವರ್ಗವೇ ಧರೆಗಿಳಿದು ಬಂದಂತೆ. ನೋಡಲು ಎರಡು ಕಣ್ಣು ಸಾಲದು.
ನಿಜ ನಿಜ, ಧರೆಗೆ ಅವತರಿಸಿದ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ ಸೀಮೆಯು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ಎಂದು ಕವಿಗಳೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಭರತ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ದೇಶದಷ್ಟೇ ಸುಂದರ ದೇಶದ ಜನರ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಸಹ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಭಾರತೀಯ ರಕ್ತದ ಕಣ ಕಣದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ದೇಶ ಪ್ರೇಮ ತುಂಬಿದೆ. ಈ ಭರತ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದ ನಾವೇ ಧನ್ಯರು.
ಇದೀಗ ಭಾರತೀಯರ ದೇಶ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಎಂತಹದು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ನೃತ್ಯದ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು.
पम 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 ये देश है वीर जवानों का, बेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना. पम 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 मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. पम पम पम
हर करम अपना करेंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिया है जहाँ भी रे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए.
pam 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 pam.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले. आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले. सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है. अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है.
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा सारी वाले नीले आसमान के तले. शुक्रिया तुम्हें दे, हमें दे, मैनू दे.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए. कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए. ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए. हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए. चक दे इंडिया, चक दे इंडिया, चक दे इंडिया, चक दे इंडिया. ओ मेरे रंग है आज निखरे, और खुल के आज बिखरे. मन जाए ऐसी होली, रग रग मचल के बोली, दस
है ना मस है जी, जिद है तो जिद है जी, घिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही बस करी है। कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाँ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। जलते शरारे हैं, पानी के धारे हैं, हम काटे कटते नहीं। जो वादा करते हैं करके निभाते हैं, हम पीछे हटते नहीं।
वक्त है, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है, ना झुके ना मिटे, देश तो अपनी शान है।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
हो मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है, अरे जो भी है जैसे है, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना। यार बाज हम जान साज, हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार
തുടിതാളം കളിയാടും നാടേ നിൻ തുഞ്ചത്ത് മുത്തോളം മുകിലോളം മലയാളം പാടും നിൻ തീരത്ത് പൂപ്പൊലിപ്പാട്ടീണം മൈലാഞ്ചി പാട്ടിനഴകൊടു കൂട്ടുകൂടും നേരം നല്ലോണം നമ്മൾ കോണം
മിന്നൽ പൂരം തുടിതാളം മഴയുടെ മേളം നീണ്ടു നിൽക്കും നറമനതാളം പരിചകളുടെ നീരൊളി മേളം നെഞ്ചിനു താളം നിലവിനു മേളം ഇടക്കയുടുക്കുമുടുക്കുമിലയും
ಕೇಳೆ ಚೆಲುವೆ ನೀನು ಮಿನು ಮಿನು ಮಿನುಗೋತಾರೆ ಜುಡು ಜುಡು ಹರಿಯುವ ರಸ ಜಲಧಾರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಣಕಣದಲ್ಲೂ ನೀನೆ ನೀನೆ ತುಂಬಿರುವೆ ಮನಸಾರೆ ಬಾಳು ಕಾರಿ ನೀ ಬರುವಾಗ ಸ್ವರ್ಗವೇ ನಾಚುತ್ತಿದೆ ಕೇಳೆ ಚೆಲುವೆ
जश्न है भारत रग रग में है जीत की आदत ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के जय हिंद जो नस नस में है हर बाजी फिर बस में है सिद्ध ठान के हिंदुस्तान बोले सुजलाम सुफलाम
तो कैसी लगी आपको भारत की विविधता में एकता की ये तस्वीर?
That was so mesmerizing. Thank you, friends.
Now it's time to hand over the mic to Afrin and Shaman for the next shows.
Parents of 4th standard, kindly note your children are now ready near the school flagpole. ಪೋಷಕರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಪೋಷಕರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಈಗ ಶಾಲಾ ಧ್ವಜಸ್ತಂಭದ ಬಳಿ ಸಿದ್ಧರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ.
सरहद पर खड़े हैं, मात्र भूमि के लिए समर्पित है, अपनी जान की परवाह नहीं देश की रक्षा में लगे हैं. सरहद पर खड़े हैं, अपने परिवार को छोड़कर देश के लिए शहीद होने उनका बलिदान अमर है.
A soldier's life is not his own. It belongs to the country.
Honoring their unwavering dedication, our 7th standard students present a dramatic sketch.
Dear audience, let's all witness the emotional journey of India's brave hearts.
संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है.
ಯಾಕೋ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗುವಿನ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಹಬ್ಬ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಕಾಗದ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೇನೋ ಅಂತ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೀನೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ ರೀ. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನನ್ನ ಗಂಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಸೈನಿಕನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
ಅಪ್ಪ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ತಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಪ್ಪ?
ಮಗಳೇ, ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಲವ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಪ, ಮಿಸ್ಡ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಪ. ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ಡೇಗೆ ನೀನು ಇರ್ತೀಯ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಖಂಡಿತ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ, ಕಮಾಂಡರ್ ಸುಮಿತ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್. ಸರ್, ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾರ್ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊರಟು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
कैसे तुझको दिखाऊं यहाँ है क्या, मैंने झरने से पानी मां तोड़ के पिया है.
Officers,
Yes sir.
get ready for the mission.
Copy sir.
Commando, are you ready for the mission? Yes, sir.
ये नया हिंदुस्तान है. ये हिंदुस्तान घर में घुसेगा भी और मारेगा.
मिशन के लिए तैयार है? क्या बदले के लिए आपका खून खोल रहा है? हौस द जोश! हौस द जोश! I said हौस द जोश!
ऐ मेरी जमीन अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू.
सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां शस्य श्यामला मातरं वन्दे मातरम्।
तेरा नाम है साजा, एक तेरा नाम है साजा, मन मेरे यार पाचा, बस नाम तेरा माँ हो।
वंदे
शुभ्रज्योत्सना पुलकितयामिनी फूलकुसुमिता प्रमदनशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी।
Thank you, friends, for that captivating performance. Your tribute to our soldiers' sacrifices will resonate with us forever. Afreen, are you ready for a mental challenge?
Bring it on. I'm beauty with brains.
Let's test your sharpness. I'm often vivid, sometimes elusive. I can be sweet or unsettling, but vanish with the daylight. What am I?
Is that moon?
Beauty with brains.
Or is that dreams?
Kudos, Afreen. Dreams drive us forward no matter what.
Presenting our 8th standard students celebrating the power of dreams.
May this performance inspire you all to hold on to your dreams.
Dreams. Dreams are not the fleeting images and the emotions we experience during the sleep. They are also the powerful visions and we hold for the future. These dreams are the aspirations and the goals that shape our decisions, fuel our creativity,
तेरी मैं जागा राता रोक न ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਯਾਦ ਚ ਦੇਣੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਗਾ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਓ
Rooted in personal ambitions or collective ideals, dreams are the foundation upon which the future is built.
जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल गम मुसाफिर था जाने दे धूप आंगन में आने दे जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल
4 दिन, बाकी है बेकार दिन, जीने के है 4 दिन, बाकी है बेकार दिन। जाए 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 एक बार जो जाए जवानी फिर ना आए, जवानी फिर ना आए। जीने के है 4 दिन, बाकी है बेकार दिन, जीने के है 4 दिन, बाकी है बेकार दिन। जाए 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 एक बार जो जाए जवानी फिर ना आए, जवानी फिर ना आए।
In this sense, dreaming is not a passive act, it is an active process of imagining and creating future.
That was a mind-blowing performance.
Thank you, friends.
Hey, Shaman, why so serious?
Didn't you feel something was lacking, Afreen?
Lacking? What was it?
No clapping, no cheering. Where's the enthusiasm?
Come on, audience, let's give a huge round of applause for all our fantastic dancers.
Thank you, friends. In our previous performance, we explored the transformative power of dreams.
Now, let us enchant you with a soulful melody as we bring into life the realization of those dreams.
Parents of 5th standard, please note, your children are now ready near the school flagpole. Please proceed there to collect them. 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಪೋಷಕರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಈಗ ಶಾಲಾ ಧ್ವಜಸ್ತಂಭದ ಬಳಿ ಸಿದ್ಧರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ.
दिल, सच्चे मन, सच्चे रास्ते पे प्यार के साथ आगे बढ़ जाए तो हम मंजिल पा सकते हैं। अब ऐसा ही गाना हम गाकर सुनाएंगे।
Thank you, friends, for your melodious song.
Welcome to a poignant performance that tackles a pressing concern, drug addiction affecting millions worldwide.
A single choice can lead down a dark path, damaging lives and relationships.
But amidst this struggle, hope and recovery are possible.
Let's acknowledge the devastating impact and the resilience of those who overcome.
Join us as our 9th standard students bring this critical issue into life through dance and drama.
माँ, आज मेरा कॉलेज का पहला दिन है, आशीर्वाद दो माँ।
बावरे, चल भटक लेना बावरे। क्यों न हम तुम ले जाके अलमस्त पहचानी राहों के परे, चल भटक लेना बावरे। टिमटिमाती निगाहों में, इन चमचमाती अदाओं में, लुके हुए छुपे हुए है क्या ख्याल बावरे।
पूरे देश के युवाओं में नशे की लत तेजी से बढ़ रही है। ड्रग्स एक फैशन की तरह लेटेस्ट जनरेशन में फैलती जा रही है।
जो उठेगा धड़ से कटेगा, कहाँ पे छिपेगा कहाँ पे बचेगा। पर है घात मौत की बिछी बिसात, उठा तो गिरेगा गिरा तो चिरेगा, छिपा तो मिलेगा मिला तो मारेगा। जाग जाग भाग भाग बच सके तो बच ले आज, आंधी है ये ज़लज़ला है पूरे जोर पर चला है, किसमें दम है जो लड़ा है, कौन रह सका खड़ा है। सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित, रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित, सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित, रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित। बात बात पर है घात मौत की बिछी बिसात, जाग जाग भाग भाग बच सके तो बच ले आज।
देश भर में बड़ी संख्या में यूथ नशे की चपेट में आ चुका है।
जिस्म है तो क्या, ये रूह का लिबास है, ये दर्द है तो क्या, ये इश्क की तलाश है, फना किया मुझे ये चाहने की आस ने, धरा धरा शिकस्त ही हुआ। रज़ा है क्या तेरी, दिलो जहां
नशीली दवाओं को अपने ऊपर हावी ना होने दें। नशीली दवाओं को नियंत्रण में ना लेने दें। नशीली दवाओं के उपयोग के लिए बहाने मत बनाओ। नशीली दवाओं को अपने सपने चुराने ना दें। लाखों लोग नशीली दवाओं के उपयोग से जूझ रहे हैं। इसमें कोई शर्म की बात नहीं है, आप अकेले नहीं हैं। नशीली दवाओं के दुरुपयोग से निपटना कठिन है, लेकिन यह संभव है। बहुत से लोगों ने नशीली दवाओं का सेवन बंद कर दिया है और आप उनमें से एक हो सकते हैं।
Thank you, friends, for the breathtaking performance.
It was an eye-opener. Shaman, what's the vibe for the next performance?
My 10th standard crew is gonna slay the stage.
Audience, get ready to go wild.
Hold your heart and tap your feet, cause the Savage Squad of 10th standard is about to take over the stage and enthrall you all with the Bollywood dance.
Audience, give a huge round of applause for 10th standard dancers.
ಆರನೇ, ಏಳನೇ ಮತ್ತು 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಪೋಷಕರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಶಾಲಾ ಧ್ವಜಸ್ತಂಭದ ಬಳಿ ಸಿದ್ಧರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is for the kind notice of the parents of 6th, 7th and 8th standard. Your children are now ready near the school flagpole. Thank you.
How was the introduction? Introduction 10th standard.
Everybody ready?
Ready.
Beats ready, huh? Shanai. Mic testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
என்னோடே வா நான் உனக்காக காத்திருக்கிறேன்.
रात का है अपना मजा, आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा। ओ इस रात का है अपना मजा, आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा। बैठा है क्या सीटी बजा, लुंगी पकड़ के जरा घूम जा।
ये डांस तेरा देख देख झटके लगे तेज तेज, दिल सबका धक धक करे।
रेंट लगा रे, मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे। रेंट लगा रे, मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे। तुमका मेरा एक्सीलेंट लगा रे, मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे।
வரவா அண்ணன் நான் இறங்கி வரவா தெல் கொடுக்கும் சிங்கத்தை சீண்டாதப்பா எவன் தடுத்து किनारे तो खाली पड़े नानी नानी बगली ने नाना एवा सपना नी रेत वाली डगली ने तोफानो तराप मारे हाले साओ हापी जाए तो जेनी हिम्मत ने आम नहीं हापे एवो खारबो खलासी एवो हाडे नो प्रवासी एवो खारबो खलासी एवो हाडे नो प्रवासी गोतिलो 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 गोतिलो
પોતાના જ દરિયામાં પોતાની જ ડૂબકી થી જાતનું અમૂલ મોતીલો
ए पति जे मजामा खाली वावटा तजामा एवो हाडे नो प्रवासी गोतिलो
એવો હોય છે ખલાસી મને ઓકે ભૈયા હોય છે પ્રવાસી મને હાય હાય હૈયા હોય છે ખલાસી મને લઈ જા નૈયા
लगा सनसेट भाई तेरा फुल सेट मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा देखो तो हसीना को वाना भी करीना को ठुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके सारे 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 Let's not joke.
What an explosive show.
The moves, attitude, stunts and pyramids were simply superb.
Over to our principal, sir.
ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಹಕಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಐ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಆನ್ ಬಿಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ PTA ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕೊನೆಯ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಥಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಥಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಥಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಥಮ್ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ನೀವು ಅದು ಕಂಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮುಗೀತದೆ. ಆಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು 4-5 ಚೇರ್ಸನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂಬುದಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೇ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ may continue in the days to come. So thank you. Over to the anchors.
What an incredible evening of talent, creativity and joy.
As we bring the curtains down on this spectacular event, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude.
Thank God Almighty for blessing us with this wonderful opportunity.
Our sincere appreciation to our honorable correspondent for his guidance and support.
Our heartfelt gratitude to the chief guest of today's program.
We are grateful to our dynamic principal for his visionary leadership.
Our sincere appreciation to management and PTA members for their active involvement.
A big thank you to our dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff for their tireless efforts.
We couldn't have done it without the encouragement of our parents.
And to our talented students, you have made us proud. Keep shining.
Now it's the time to respect our alma mater. Let's all rise for our school anthem. Every goodbye brings a new beginning.
With hope and gratitude.
Until next time,
thank you. Good night.